Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up an unguided session with your Oura Ring 4. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Oura app and then make sure that the ring has been paired to the app. And now we're going to go to the Today section and we're going to press on the plus icon on the bottom right. We're going to click on Unguided Session. And what an unguided session is basically like this meditating soundscape that just helps you meditate. So choose your own path to the present moment. You can select the duration of this. So once you select the duration, you can exit out, click on add a soundscape, so they can help you meditate, something like a rainfall or some static like white noise. You're gonna click on start. And you can also sync this with the Apple Health app. I'm not going to do that right now. So to get started, make sure that your ring is charged and close to your phone. So just follow what the app asks you to do. Let's click on start, and basically you need to be wearing the ring for it to start working. So it's going to ask you to sit or lay down comfortably, and for accurate measurements, try to remain still. It's going to do a countdown like this. So now that it's started, it's going to play the sounds that you've selected and for the amount of time that you've selected. So you press on end early, and it's going to display some session details in the end. But before that, it's going to ask you for some feedback. So how do you feel after that? So just select the option, and then it's going to show you your statistics at the end. So the statistics are going to be more accurate if you do the whole thing, because I've stopped it pretty early on. So there you go. This is your session, and if you can either delete the session or just close it down. It's going to be saved in another spot. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.